The biryani was by Biryani Bowl, as you must have noticed. Awesome place right next to, at the intersection of Washington and Fremont Boulevard. Now, Khana Pina ho gaya, we're all done. We'll come back with a bang in the second half. So bang is literally a bang. So let's welcome the band that's going to play in this section, Melody Makers. Let me quickly introduce all the band members. Right here we have Rohit on keyboard. Rajeshwar Singh on guitar. Mr. Himayat Ali on drums, which are transparent. And right here on percussion we have Ashneel. सबके लिए एक बार जोर से तालियां. So guys, you already saw Sokya's talent in the first half, classical, semi-classical, and now just to complete the whole package of Sokya and to understand why she was the teen voice of Bay Area, why she got the Fremont's Got Talent Award, and why she's only one of the females called upon to sing national anthems of both Hindi and American. So let's welcome with a round of applause that is bigger than this hall, Sokya!
जब जब छा कुछ बोला ना कुछ तोला, मुस्कुरा के दिया जो दिया। तू ही धूप तू ही छाया, तू ही अपना पराया, और कुछ ना जानू बस इतना ही जानू, तुझ में रब दिखता है आराम में क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, सजदे सर झुकता है यारा मैं क्या करूं, तुझ में रब दिखता है यारा मैं क्या करूं। खुद की कैसी ये जंग है, पल पल ये दिल घबराए, पल पल ये दिल शर्माए, कुछ कहता है और कुछ कर जाए, कैसे पहले वो दिल मर जाना, इश्क में जल्दी बड़ा जुर्माना, तू सब्र तो कर मेरे यार, जरा सांस तो ले दिलदार, चल फिकर लो गोले मार यार, सुन सुन दे दे चार, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार चलिया, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार चलिया, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार चलिया, हले हले हो जाएगा प्यार। आगे आगे राइट लेग पीछे पीछे अच्छा यार लेट्स स्टार्ट अवे, सर को घुमा ले राउंड पैर जरा अप डाउन, इतनी सी ये बात, वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए, हाथों में तू हाथ थाम ले, ओए डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोने आ डांस पे चांस मार ले, ओ बल्लिए पे चांस मार ले, ओ सोने आ डांस पे चांस मार ले। चल हाथ घुमा ले यारा, ओ जैसे सुइयां साथ से बारा ले, बन गया है सोनिया, तू बन गया है सोनिया, उधर कमरे को ऐसे घुमाना, वो जैसे हवा में आट बनाना, ले बन गया है सोनिया, तू बन गया है सोनिया, वो बंदा ही क्या है जो नाचे न गाए,
He's next. Now we know why she's so talented. Fremont's got talent. Bay Area's teen voice. And a different Sokya from the first half.
Okay, bye.
See, this is what happens when it's your concert, you get to change multiple times. Take your time, Sokya. So next, we'll spice up things a bit and give you Sokya's glimpse again. Thank you. Give you a glimpse of more talent in the Inamdar family. कितने खुश हैं? Sir, already आप चौड़े हो चुके हैं. Okay, who here knows? And Inamdar family always tricks me. I'm talking about them when they walk past me. Right here is a young man who is the twin brother of Sokya, equally talented, little shy, little reserved, but you'll get to hear his talent now on saxophone. He's getting set up. And as he's doing that, once again, how many of you like the biryani? Biryani! It was by Biryani Bowl. Once again, it's on Fremont and Washington Boulevard. And you're all set? I'm looking forward to listen to this great talent. And this is a great exhibition of lungs, given that we are here raising funds for American Lung Association. You can't leave without saying something. You have to say something. Daniel, can I have that microphone? We'll make sure he at least says something. He cannot just walk away like that.
Hi guys, I just wanted to say thank you all for coming, and I'm really proud of both like my sister and my parents. My parents put a lot of hard work into this, like non-stop daily like stress activities and going back and forth between places and like managing everyone and everything. And I also want to give a big thank you to the volunteer team also, and pretty much everyone on stage and you guys in the crowd. So yeah, thank you for coming.
Hey, Saurabh. So I've been trying to translate the Marathi into English for your friends. There are some people who don't understand English. Can you say something in Hindi? Try, or Marathi.
Like what?
No, you tell me. I mean, whatever you want to say something to them. आने के लिए धन्यवाद.
मला हिंदी नाही समजतं.
That's good enough, Saurabh. Thank you so much. Thank you. One more round of applause for this young guy. And just making sure the star is ready again, is she? Yes? Okay. Oh, she comes from different sides. So guys, so far you have been listening Marathi, Hindi, Sanskrit, and now it's time for some English. You will not need any translation. Loudest cheer this time for Sokhya!
Wait, I need a lyrics stand.
Oh, I'll bring it back for you. She's very demanding. That's how stars are. Here you go, ma'am. Orange juice.
Hello, it's me. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like me to go over everything. They say that time's supposed to heal ya, but I ain't done much healing. Hello, can you hear me? I'm in California dreaming about who we used to be when we were younger and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell at our feet. There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Hello, how are you? It's so typical of me to talk about myself. I'm sorry. I hope that you will. Did you ever make it out of that town when nothing ever happened? It's no secret that the both of us are running out of time. Hello from the other side. I must have called 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Ooh, anymore. Anymore. Hello from the other side. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for everything that I've done. But when I call, you never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I've tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it don't matter, it clearly doesn't tear you apart anymore. Thank you. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Me on a date, I deserve a babe, and don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got the 9 to 5, well baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and baking apple pies. I never learned to cook, but I can ride a hood. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey! You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and know you'll never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey! Open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy. Buy me a ring, buy me a ring, babe. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Hey baby, dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. Future husband, better love me right. Future husband, better love me right. Future husband, better love me right.
Sokhya. Now, I know we are doing this concert just because of the song, so that the message gets across. And I want to make sure I'm live now on Facebook. If you can sing a few lines again of this song, just in case the future husband is out there, he'll make sure he'll see it. Go ahead, you're live.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Hey baby, dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. Woo!
One more time for Sokhya.
हम तेरे बिना अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम मेरा तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। दे दिया है तेरी वफा ने मुझको संभाला, सारे गमों को दिल से निकाला, तेरे साथ मेरा है नसीब जुड़ा, तुझे पाके अधूरा न रहा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। Thank you.
Keep it going for me at least. I'm bringing a chair. By the way, some of the people were asking me what my name is. My name is Sunny Moza. If you listen to Radio Zindagi, I come on air every Thursday, 6 to 7. So remember the frequency 1550 AM or 99.7 HD3 FM. So, dosto, we're going to mix it up right now. And again, Praveen ji, pranam. Again, call a young man who's very talented. He sings, he plays guitar, he plays piano. He's been a 3-time finalist on Fremont's Got Talent. He aspires to be in the final lineup for the America's Got Talent. He's working towards it. He's a young man. He's in 10th grade in Mission San Jose High School. And supposedly he speaks very well Hindi. So let's put our hands together for the young man is ready right here. Come on, guy. Aman Chopra. And as he's setting up, I don't like silence at all. Like I took the live video, I tagged hashtag Sokhya. If you are taking pictures, taking live videos, or any videos posting on any social platform, remember the 2 tags, hashtag Sokhya and hashtag Inamdar style. So pick either one, pick both, and make sure you tag. What are the social platforms? Facebook, Twitter, what else? Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, Yelp. You all set? All right, one more applause for the young man right here.
Hello, good evening, everyone. Today I'm going to be singing Stitches by Shawn Mendes. Feel free to sing along if you guys like. I thought that I'd been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. Your words cut deeper than a knife. Now I need someone to breathe me back to life. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. Fuck with calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me breathe till I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, just like a moth drawn to a flame. Oh, you lured me in, I couldn't sense the pain. Your bitter heart cold to the touch. Now I'm gonna reap what I sow. I'm left seeing red on my own. Got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. Fuck with calling you my lover. Move on. You watch me breathe until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. Now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Needle in the thread, gonna wind up dead. Needle in the thread, gotta get you out of my head. Get you out of my head. You watch me breathe until I can't breathe, shaking, falling onto my knees. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches, tripping over myself, aching, begging you to come help. And now that I'm without your kisses, I'll be needing stitches. Thank you.
One, two, check 1, 2. I heard your Hindi is really good, so a few words in Hindi, please. You said in your own intro that your mom made you go to Hindi classes or something.
I'm really bad at Hindi.
Let's hear your bad Hindi.
धन्यवाद आने के लिए.
Thank you so much. When they make 3 Idiots Part 2, we know who will play Chatur. Without further ado, late समझ में आता है आपको यार. Without further ado, let's call Sokhya back on stage.
your insecurity. Oh, the dirty laundry never made me blink one time. Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. There is no fear now, let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. Come just as you are to me, don't need apology. Know that you are all worthy. Take your bad days with your good. Walk through the storm, I would. I do it all because I love you. I love you unconditional, unconditionally. I will love you unconditionally. There is no fear now, let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. So open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart and just let it begin. Open up your heart. Acceptance is the key to be truly free. Will you do the same for me? Unconditional, unconditionally, I will love you unconditionally. And there is no fear now, let go and just be free. I will love you unconditionally. Oh yeah. I will love you. I will love you. I will love you unconditionally. Okay, so this next song is Fight Song, and I just want to talk a little bit about this. As most of you guys know, my lung collapsed my sophomore year, and I had to get surgery done for it. And I had so many people with me who were helping me, like Susanna Garcia, she's here today. Thank you so much. Thank you for dealing with me while I was in the emergency room and everything. Thank you. I'm so appreciative of my family and friends who were there for me during that whole time. And this song I'm dedicating to all of you guys. And yeah, it's my fight song. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves in motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say, wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream them aloud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove my word song. My power is turned on. Started right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. and I'm chasing sleep. Everybody's worried about me. I'm in too deep. Say I'm in too deep. And it's been 2 years, I miss my home. There's a fire burning in my bones. I still believe, yeah, I still believe. And all those things I didn't say, begging balls inside my brain. I was screaming out tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Started right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fire left in me. A lot of fire left in me. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like I would sing a word to make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Started right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fire left in me. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fire left in me. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fire left in me.
One more time for Sokya. And also Hivayat in the back. Amazing drums. Sokya mentioned that when she was going through the whole lung recovery part, Susanna was the one who was there to see her. Susanna, I know you're in the audience. If you can make your way to the stage, that'll be amazing. Where are you? Right here. You can come either way. There's, I think, steps on this side. And Renuka ji, can I please have you on stage as well? What happened to the applause? Yes!
Susanna saw her in the worst of the worst situation. Both of us were in the room and she has seen how Sokya was, and she kept in touch. She kept on asking about Sokya, how she is doing. And when we decided to do the concert, I talked to Susanna and I said, actually we posted, and she just, even before I called, she had the first like and she's like, I'm coming. So thank you, Susanna, for being part of Sokya's journey, and we appreciate you being here. Thank you.
Thank you, Susanna. And Sokya, fight on. You're a great girl. All right.
Thank you so much. I think you need to change. Oh, you want to say something? All right. Kiana, please, the family discussion's over. Thank you, Susanna. Thank you so much. Can
Okay. Can I request Avni and Priyanka to please come on the stage? We want to just lighten the mood a little bit. Both of them have been learning with Manoj and Archana, and both of them accompanied Sokya today. So big round of applause for Avni and Priyanka.
And as they're making their way onto the stage, can we please have Apurva also on the stage, Apurva Kharche?
And I have a special guest. When I thought about doing the concert, for me, help, just a phone call away. Literally, whoever I called, whoever I talked to, everybody was like, do you need help? Do you need help? We will be there. We will be there. And look at you. All of you are here. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Avni. Thank you, Priyanka. Apurva. The thank you slide show for all the volunteers, the dignitaries, was made by Apurva. So thank you, Apurva. And Anish Khadilkar, please come on the stage. Without this guy, whatever you see Saukhya today wouldn't have been possible. You know why? Because when we decided, so I asked Saukhya, who do you want when Mama is not there for you during the green room, dress change? And she said, Radhika Kaku. And Anish had a graduation ceremony today, but he actually, just for Saukhya, he let his mom accompany Saukhya than being with him. Thank you, Anish.
Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Make your way back. As you're making your way back, there's some more people we would like to thank and acknowledge. If you can please come on stage. Amit ji, please stay back. I need to call Manoj ji, Archana ji, if you can please come on stage.
Satish.
Satish ji, Purva and Mahesh Kale ji, Sudhir and
Sudhir
Krishnan, my buddies.
Aravindan.
Right there he is.
Krishnan.
And guys, just to give you a quick thing, we are acknowledging them right now because they, along with 50 plus volunteers, they were the main ones who helped. And after this, we'll have a couple more songs before you start missing this evening. So let's give a big round of applause to all these people who are making their way onto the stage.
So, okay.
So, okay, come in the middle.
Krishnan is just four of us when we decided, Manoj and Archana were part of it. But Krishnan was the first one I called, and he just, I'm there for you. So thank you, Krishnan. And Sudhir also, I called, will you help Saukhya for the second half? And he helped, and this is the result you are seeing. Whatever clapping you are doing, Sudhir helped Saukhya fine-tune it. So thank you so much.
And I'm sure all of you already know that Sudhir and Krishna are very accomplished singers in the Bay Area and beyond. No need to talk about that. So let's give it up for all of them together.
Mahesh and Purva, are they still here or they are gone? घरी गेले का? Okay.
किती आहेत? कुठे? कुठे? वरती, खाली. That's the 2-3 words I know. If they're still here, please, if they're feeling shy, please, their neighbors, tell them to come up.
Mahesh is not shy. He is the national award winner, so he's not shy. So thank you so much, Mahesh and Purva. Mahesh, please come on the stage. Please. Mahesh.
He's just waving.
Purva is here. So when we decided that, I wanted to do Saukhya's concert this way or that way, Mahesh was very critical. We had the first meeting with him, and, this is where we are.
So how come Mahesh didn't come? We have a fight.
Mahesh, please ये ना. मी आरती म्हणीन बर का नाही तर तुझ्या करता. आया उठला चक्क घाबरला.
Both of you came in separate cars? Well, no carpool needed today. But let's give a big round of applause for this man right here. Mahesh ji, come on. And now if you can line up for a picture, I guess, or there's somebody else doing it. Is that it? Okay. मुफ्त में सुनेंगे सब कुछ, हैं?
Thank you.
Yeah. Honor. Thank you. Purva ji. When is that? When is that? When is that? Wait. What do you do? We'll break after Balam Pichkar, right? After Balam Pichkar. Do it. Do it. I'll give it to you.
Hi guys. Could I get all the aunties that love me the most up here, please?
Auntie mat kaho na, say ladies. They'll
Please.
come.
Please come. Come up. Please. Please. Don't make me wait here, please. Come on. Come on, come on. Ria Mami. Wait, अभी भी है जवानी जरा सी है पुरानी हाँ फिर भी जवानी हनी जी शर्म भुला के ठुमका लगा के करो ना थोड़ा मन माने जी अभी भी तेरे गाल गोरे गोरे लाखों बिला में डाले डोरे डोरे देखो दीवाने हुए जा रहे नाम पुकारने में नरे नरे हम बालों की सवेरी सिपी को कब हुआ है रोमांस आंटी जी get up and dance आंटी जी get up and dance दिल तो छिछोरा वर 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 जाए फंकी अंदाऊ बीमार मर जाए बेबी कलियां कमारी ते जुर्मे से बनी आंटी जितना पुराना वो सोना 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 क्यों ना फिर भी रहेगा वो सोना 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 बेबी और नशीली वो वाइन पुरानी आंटी ये तो बता रही अरे आंटी बुलाए में जो गिरे गिरे आंटी बुलाने में जो मजा है वो ना पुकारने में नरे नरे कमरिया जो देखी तो बचने का नहीं कोई चांस आंटी जी get up and dance आंटी जी get up and dance it might seem crazy what I'm about to say sunshine she's here you can take a break I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space with the air like I don't care, baby, about the way. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. See the money, wanna stay for your meal. Grab another piece of pie for your wife. Everybody wanna know how it feels. Everybody wanna see what it's like. We all deserve the finer things in this life. Alright, oh, step back while you go dance the greenback boogie. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't have. I feel nice, like a sugar and spice now. So good, cause I got you. I feel good, knew that I wouldn't have. I feel nice, like a sugar and spice now. So good, cause I got you. Because I'm clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm clap along if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Auntie G, get up and dance. 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 All of you, come here. All of you. Come here. Get to the front. You two. Come on. Come on. Come on. All my friends that are here, please come to the front. Please. How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? Pull me closer again. How deep is your love? बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई। इतना मजा क्यों आ रहा है? तूने हवा में भांग मिलाया। दुगना नशा क्यों हो रहा है? आंखों से मीठा तूने खिलाया। How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? What devotion are you? How deep is your love? Is it like Nirvana? Hit me harder again. How deep is your love? How deep is your love? How deep is your love? Is it like the ocean? Pull me closer again. How deep is your love? बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई। वो तेरी मलमल की कुर्ती गुलाबी हो गई। मैं चली चाल कैसे नवाबी हो गई। तो बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई। बलम पिचकारी जो तूने मुझे मारी तो सीधी सादी चोरी शराबी हो गई। हाँ जीन्स पहन के जो तूने मारा ठुमका तो लट्टू पड़ोसन की भाभी हो गई। How deep is your love? 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 Thanks guys, thank you. Thanks guys, thank you.
All right, guys. Now, before the finale, Sokhya is going to change one more time. And I know, happens, yaar. Hota hai. I know some of the people are again asking him, what's my name? My name is Sunny Moza. If you like today's MC, if you did not like today's MC, my name is Venkateshwara. And how did you like the sound today? Tell me, give me by the way of applause. And now that he's right here, sound was done by a very famous Bay Area DJ, DJ Daniel. Let's give it up for DJ Daniel. Thank you. And now that Sokhya is going to take some time to change, and there's nothing planned here, That's where an MC comes in. He takes over. How many of you liked the music of Ashki 2? Amazing songs, right? Right? But have you ever thought, I'll tell you what you must have thought, because Renuka ji is here, let me ask her first. Family talk. I'm part of the family now. Yes. Because they're Inamdar, I'm Imandar. I like this batch here. They had no idea what I said. They still applauded. Thank you so much, guys. Especially this guy in red tie. I love you. So have you ever thought, imagined, if Ashki 2 songs, like Sun Raha Hai Na Tu, agar wo gana Kumar Sanu ne gaya hota, how that would have sounded? You just killed my whole piece right here. But would you like to have a sample of that? Okay. Band, please help me. I don't care what you say. Microphone is in my hand. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, सुन रहा है न तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है न तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है न तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं, मुझको इरादे दे, कसमें दे, वादे दे, मुझको इरादे दे, कसमें दे, वादे दे, मेरी दुआओं के इशारों को सहारे दे, सुन रहा है ना तू, रो रहा हूँ मैं. And for those of you who didn't understand why I'm singing, it was a parody. So that's why it's a little funny. Now you can applaud. So guys, I do want to mention a few people whose name I have here. Because of you, this concert was successful. And once again, for Melody Makers for supporting me, we didn't practice this at all. Thank you so much, guys. They always back me up for all these weird things that I ask them to. Thank you. All right, I'll go hands free one more time. And the people that I do want to thank are, scrolling down, right here. Sid Rane, Sokya's portfolio photographer. Are you here, Sid? Thank you so much. Sandeep Umrani, Sokya's sari photo shoot. Wow, she has a photographer for each different costume. Exactly. Tag it. We also have Joshi Mama Mami, Surya, Romit, who traveled for the concert, and Saurabh and Sokya's graduation. Let's give it up for all these people. Come on. And of course, the family. All right, so now that she's back, a quick announcement before I hand it over back to Sokya. Ganpati festival is happening in September 8th, 9th, and 10th. And this Ganpati ji that you're seeing right here, this is how it all started last year. इनकी स्थापना पहले हुई थी, and then that festival became such a big festival. Renuka ji was a big part of that. Praveen ji sitting right here. And this year again, if you would like to be part of it, do check out the website Radio Zindagi, and you will see the Ganpati festival happening again this year on September 8th, 9th, and 10th. Right, Praveen ji? And 11th as well. One more day. Yeah, more days the better. Thank you so much, Praveen ji. Anything you want to add to that? Hashtag. Thank you, Ranna. It's a free event, so please come. I know you love free things. Please do come for that. And let's, for the finale, give a huge, the biggest round of applause that you've given till this evening to Sokhya one more time.
Hi guys. So I'm gonna dedicate this song to Mama and Baba because they've always been telling me to sing this song, and I just want to thank them for always loving me and supporting me through everything. So this is for them. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. You, my darling, you. Bittersweet memories, that is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And I will always love you. I will always love And I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dreamed of, and I wish you joy and happiness. But above all this, I wish you love. And I will always love you. 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 Darling, I'll always love you. Thank you.
So, okay, anything you want to say before you go off the stage? Maybe about your dresses, that how many dresses you changed and what difficulty you faced. Because singing seems easy for you. One last thing I want to ask her, I don't know if she'll do it or not. Like I said in the very beginning, Sokya is multi-talented. You saw all the different forms of singing. Not just singing, she can whistle in like, I don't know how many ways. I can't even do in one way. Like literally, I have no idea. I heard you have talent. If you can show them that, that'll be super awesome. You want to hear that?
I don't know.
Ranna, you already know a lot of things.
This is the first way. This is the second way. I don't, you guys can't hear it. It's too okay. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? Yeah? Okay, the third way. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? I can hear it. Can you hear it? They can't hear it.
One more time, that one. Amazing, amazing.
Okay, that's all I'm gonna show.
I'm just feeling, I can only, I'm feeling bad for all the guys in Purdue University. She's going to Purdue soon, in a month's time.
3 months.
In 3 months. For all the Marathis, the university was called Purandare, now it's called Purdue. Anything, Amitji, you want her to do or add? There's some instructions coming. And you're the first dad I've seen so proud of the fact. It's my daughter. Somebody gonna get hurt. क्या बात है सर क्या बात है क्या बात है After 2 years he'll be standing for office, vote for him. Anything else you want to say?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you all for coming so much. It means so much to me.
रन्ना घर पे कोई नहीं है क्या आज
Dolak Soki. Dolak Soki. Do you guys know Dolak Soki? I did it in the Voice of area. Do you remember? Do you remember the key?
क्या हुआ ये क्या हुआ
No, but they want to hear me whistle.
सबसे ज्यादा तू ही चिल्ला रही है यार but she's my friend huh? Don't feel bad. Okay, popular demand पे one more song by Sokya and all set?
Okay.
All right.
दो लफ्ज़ों की है दिल की कहानी या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी दो लफ्ज़ों की है दिल की कहानी या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी ला 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 किससे पुराने यादें पुरानी या है मोहब्बत या है जवानी दो लफ्ज़ों Thank you again. Thank you everybody for coming.
Thank you, Sokhya. Thank you so much. Melody makers, can we have one more time? Rohit, Rajeshwar, Hivayat, and Ashni. Let's play some music towards the end. Thank you, guys. Drive safe. Have fun.